True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I am in Manchester, one place them call him Kingsland. Yeah man, Kingsland going towards the Spur Hill area guys. So if you're new to the channel, yeah man, you can kindly hit the like button. And also if you learn something about our beautiful parish, Manchester, also our island Jamaica guys, you can leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area guys. Yeah man, just tell me what you think about this area. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anywhere now watch from yard and abroad. You can big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Showing how I go on to Jamaica, our beautiful island. On your left, you have a guest house over there, them call it Crystal Palace. So if you want to have some enjoyment over there, you can go to the Crystal Palace, guys. On your right, you have the Griffiths Motor Sale. Yeah man, so you can check it out if you don't want to the new cars to buy over Griffiths Motor Sale, guys. So guys, we're heading towards Spur Hill. So guys, we are going down now Spur Hill guys. So when you're driving on Spur Hill guys, you have to be very careful. Always go down Spur Hill in low gear guys. And also it's a road slippery when wet. So you gotta be very careful on Spur Hill guys. Yeah man, so take your time and go down Spur Hill. Don't make nobody running off of the road. A lot of taxi drivers will be blowing their horn if you're driving slow. So take your time and navigate the road guys. chuck, use low gear. Yeah, man. So guys, remember to check on the water when you climb Spur Hill. Check on the oil because a lot of overheating take place on the Spur Hill, guys. So remember to check on the water morning time and the oil, air pressure. Remember all those stuff when you're traveling, guys. Don't forget safety is first, safety is paramount. So guys, you have to be careful how you navigate the car here upon Spur Hill, you know, be careful. I remember back in the days I was taking my time coming down this hill. When I reach this corner, guys, Just like this, very, very slow on this. And the car turn in the opposite direction, guys, just like that. So you gotta be very careful right at this corner right here, guys. Yeah, man, I remember me telling you, be very careful. So guys, when you're traveling on Spur Hill, you can stop on Spur Hill and get your corn soup, your curry goat, your jerk chicken. A lot of stop on the Spur Hill area, guys. Also your fruits on your right here, coming down here to the corn, man. Yeah, man, getting no corn, anything you want at Spur Hill. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. Thanks for taking the tour with Fire Reid, your tour guide. Yeah, man.